All right, hey, this is Bill Connelly, and I am a vice president with an amazing company called Financial Education Services. This company's been around since 2004. All right, we hold an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've been helping people to get their credit right, to fix their credit, and our flagship product is credit restoration. All right, tons of people review different companies. They see what we offer, and we are doing very well with helping people to get their credit score back to where they need it to be in order to get that house, to get that car, refinance, or whatever it is. So once again, my name is Bill Connelly. I'm a vice president. That's my title with this company. You can see my email, my cell phone. If you want to send me a text, please text 609-442-0922. And if you need any more information, that's great. I'll be happy to help you. But I wanted to put this quick video together to go over a product that we share with people, which is outstanding. Tons and tons of people actually love this product. So if you're looking on your cell phone, watching this video on your cell phone, and you go to my website, fesbill.com, fesbill.com, you'll see 3 lines. You can click on that lines, and you'll see where it says all the home, company, products, business opportunity, YFL, etc. You want to click on products. If you're looking on your computer right now, we're going to click on the products, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this new page opens up. We offer what's called a protection plan membership, okay? FES protection plan. And in this plan is where our credit restoration is. So if you're looking to get your credit fixed, you can check out the 13 different products that are included inside this protection plan membership. One being credit restoration, which a lot of people want to fix their credit. What we do is we actually dispute every single negative item on all 3 credit bureaus at the same time, saving you time, not like some other places that do 1 or 2 at a time and string you along. So we go after every single negative item on your credit report. We dispute it. We get you letters sent out to your house with the negative items on there. You sign, date, and send it out certified. Only thing you have to do as a customer is add a picture of your driver's license, your social, so you can validate your identity and your address, okay? All that information will be in the paperwork you get with your dispute letters. So we do offer a FES protection plan membership. That's what people buy, tons and tons of people to fix their credit. Let me actually click on Learn More. Do this real quick because I wanted to talk about the other program. But you can come to the Learn More and you'll see all of the programs that are included, the products in this protection plan membership. Credit education, credit builder, how to build credit, credit attorney, smart credit is like Credit Karma. Debt Zero, how to get your debt down to 0. LifeLock is included in this package. A lockbox to put all your information. You can give somebody the password. Life insurance is only for agents. You're welcome to be an agent. There's no training. There's nothing. We don't fix the credit ourselves as agents. We just bring people to our website, get them signed up, and the company does the rest. My Care Plan, you get a will, trust, power of attorney. Also in there, you can get health care. If you need health care, check that out. Discount shopping portal, travel portal, RX card. The YFL Mint is where we go into schools. We help kids from the ages of 8 to 18. So this is really powerful. But a lot of people buy this protection plan membership for the credit restoration. So let's click on products again, go back to that page. Now, a la carte, if you just want LifeLock, I know there's been a lot of things being breached right now. They said Facebook was just breached. A lot of other places being breached. If you just want LifeLock, you can come here, click on Learn More, enroll now, and get LifeLock for yourself. If you need to add something positive to your credit, you need a credit card to use, you can definitely get this secure credit card right here. But what I wanted to talk about was Credit My Rent, a very powerful program where we can help you get your rent on your credit report. Okay, we're going to help you get your rent on your credit report. So think about everybody that has a mortgage, right? They got that on their credit report. Now you have the same ability to get your rent there. So I'm going to click on Learn More. We're going to go over this. Here's a page that opens up with the Enroll Now. It's got a little video here. It tells you about the program. But I'm going to click on the Enroll Now to show you the different pricing. So what's really cool is when you come to this page, you can see it says individual or with spouse or roommate. So if you're renting with your spouse, you can have them put on as well, or a roommate. So how cool is that? So if you want that, you're going to have to change the box and the price will change. But for an individual, if you want to get 2 years reporting history put on your credit report right now, so Bill, yes, I want 2 years put on my credit report. What do I got to do? Well, you got to pick the gold plan. They're going to put 2 years on your credit report. They go to your landlord, they validate you have never been late more than 30 days, and boom, now they have the ability to put this on your credit report. setup fee one time setup fee of $145, and then $6.95 a month for them to keep reporting month after month that you're making good payments on your rent. If you want the silver package, that goes back 1 year. You can do an $85 setup fee one time, and then the same $6.95 a month. If you want to start today, right? You want to start today. Don't worry about the 1 year or the 2 years, but I really recommend them because length of history is one of the 5 factors for your credit report. So the longer you have of good payment history, the higher your score is going to be. But if you just want to come in, get started today, it's $25 setup fee and $6.95 a month. So it's $6.95 a month to have your rent being reported to the credit bureaus. How cool is that? You want to do the spouse or the roommate, you're just going to increase the to $175, $110, or $50 for the setup fee goes up a little bit because you're doing 2 people now. And then your monthly fee for 2 people is just under $10, okay? So you have the choice of what you want to do. You can split it with the person if you want. So you would just come here, pick the plan you want. Boom, I want the 2 years, definitely want the 2 years. You'd fill everything out, leasing information, payment information, and boom, you would create your account. All right, then what our company's going to do is they're going to get back with your landlord, validate everything, and then you're going to get that put on your credit report. We have customer service. You can call in. You can see the status of what's going on with the progress. So that's pretty cool too. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, like I said. And this is just one great program that we have to help people who rent to get that on their credit. Because if you're spending, $900 to $2,000 or whatever you're spending on your rent, and you get that put there backdated 2 years, your score could go up a very significant amount. All right. So I would definitely recommend Credit My Rent. If you're watching this video and you're like, Bill, I need the credit repair too, definitely hit me up. You can shoot me a text right there. You can see my number, 609-442-0922. My website right here is fesbill.com, fesbill.com. You can check on the products. Boom, you can see the different products that we offer. The protection plan membership is where you would get the credit restoration. The Credit My Rent is where you would get the rent put on. If you want to become an agent, you can click on business opportunity. We're always happy to take on agents. You can do this from your cell phone. It's a work from home kind of business. You can work with realtors, car dealers, solar panel people, mortgage brokers, and things like that. So you can check all this out. We offer an income opportunity, a work from home income opportunity. Remember I said that agents get life insurance as well for free included. And I can get you a webinar as well. So you can text me again, 609-442-0922. And you can just put agent or whatever, and I'll give you a video you can check out. So this has been Bill Connelly. I appreciate you all watching this video. Definitely think about Credit My Rent if you're a renter and you want to get that rent put on your credit report. All right, have a great day, and God bless.